It's dead silent until the faint creak of a floorboard makes your heart race. Every second counts, and having a reliable 9mm pistol can mean the difference between safety and danger. Known for balanced recoil, solid stopping power, and quick follow-up shots, these pistols are trusted by homeowners, first-time buyers, and security professionals alike. In this video, we'll break down the best budget-friendly 9mm pistols of 2025, packed with features that keep you ready when it matters most. On Taurus G3C, it's 2 a.m., and the distant sound of a window rattling wakes you instantly. Your pulse races, and every second counts. In moments like this, having a reliable firearm is more than comfort. It's essential. The Taurus G3C, priced around $300, delivers compact power, dependable performance, and affordability in one pack. With a 12+1 capacity, plus optional extended mags, it offers enough firepower without feeling bulky or unwieldy. The aggressive textured grip helps maintain control during stressful encounters, while the integrated accessory rail allows mounting lights for low-light defense. First-time homeowners, families, and concealed carriers alike trust the G3C for its consistent reliability and user-friendly design. Its improved trigger ensures smooth follow-up shots, and the compact frame lets you move confidently in tight hallways or stairs. Firearms instructors recommend it as a practical training tool, combining ease of use with solid performance. The Taurus G3C proves that a budget-friendly pistol can still offer confidence, control, and readiness when seconds matter most, making it an ideal choice for any household concerned about safety. 2. Smith Wesson SD9 VE. The quiet of your home is shattered by unexpected footsteps, and your instincts kick in immediately. Every second matters, and having a dependable pistol can make the difference between staying safe and being vulnerable. The Smith Wesson SD9 VE, priced around $350, offers a 16+1 capacity and a full-size frame, giving ample rounds for effective response under stress. Its stainless steel slide paired with a polymer frame combines durability with manageable recoil, helping you maintain control even when adrenaline spikes. The updated 2025 trigger allows smooth follow-up shots, while the integrated accessory rail supports mounting lights or lasers for low-light scenarios. Homeowners, security professionals, and first-time buyers trust the SD9 VE for its reliability, practical ergonomics, and ease of use. Families appreciate the comfort and stability the full-size frame provides, while concealed carriers value the balance of performance and affordability. Lightweight yet robust, the SD9 VE proves that budget-friendly doesn't mean compromising on safety, function, or confidence when defending your home. 3. PSA Dagger Compact. A sudden noise echoes through the hallway, jolting you into action. Every instinct tells you to be ready, and having a reliable, compact pistol is essential. The PSA Dagger Compact, priced around $300, delivers Glock-style performance at an affordable price. With a 15+1 capacity and compatibility with Glock magazines, it balances flexibility and reliability. Its striker-fired design ensures a consistent trigger pull, while the optics-ready variant allows adding a red dot for faster target acquisition in low-light conditions. Families, first-time gun owners, and budget-conscious concealed carriers trust the Dagger for its combination of affordability, practicality, and user-friendly design. The polymer frame offers a secure grip, keeping control steady during tense moments, while the accessory rail supports lights or lasers to illuminate dark spaces. Compact yet effective, the Dagger manages concealability without sacrificing home defense capability. Its proven performance under stress makes it a dependable choice for anyone seeking a budget-friendly, high-performance 9mm pistol. 4. Canik Mete MC9. The faint creak of a floorboard sends a jolt through your home, and every second feels critical. The Canik Mete MC9, priced around $400, combines advanced features with affordability for home defense. With a 15+1 capacity, it provides sufficient firepower to respond confidently to unexpected threats. Its optics-ready slide allows quick attachment of a red dot sight, speeding up target acquisition in low-light situations. The crisp, consistent trigger enhances follow-up shots, while ergonomic grips accommodate multiple hand sizes, making it ideal for households with different shooters. First-time owners, families, and experienced carriers trust the Mete MC9 for blending modern features with reliability, offering value often found in higher-end models. The accessory rail supports mounting lights or lasers, ensuring visibility when danger strikes. Compact yet powerful, This pistol proves that practical functionality and advanced design don't require a premium price. With the Canik Mete MC9, protection, control, and confidence come together in one well-rounded, dependable package. 5. Taurus G3. A sudden thump downstairs pulls you from sleep, and every second counts. The Taurus G3, priced around $320, offers full-size reliability in a budget-friendly package, ideal for home defense. With a 15+1 capacity and optional 17-round extended magazines, it provides ample firepower for effective response under pressure. Its polymer frame with textured grip ensures steady control during high adrenaline moments, while the rail under the barrel allows mounting of lights for low-light defense. Shooters from first-time owners to families and everyday carriers trust the G3 for its proven reliability and ease of use. The longer sight radius and manageable recoil improve accuracy and follow-up shots when it matters most. Compact enough for maneuverability yet powerful for protection, the Taurus G3 balances affordability, functionality, and confidence. For anyone seeking a dependable home defense tool without stretching their budget, this pistol delivers consistent performance, practical features, and peace of mind. 6. Ruger Security-9. Footsteps echo downstairs and your senses snap into high alert. The Ruger Security-9, priced around $380, offers dependable performance when every second matters. With a 15+1 capacity, it delivers enough rounds to respond confidently during home defense situations. Its double-action mechanism gives a longer first trigger pull, adding a subtle safety margin, yet follow-up shots remain smooth and controlled. The combination of a stainless steel slide and polymer frame ensures durability while keeping recoil manageable, allowing both new and experienced shooters to stay accurate under stress. An integrated accessory rail supports lights or lasers, giving better visibility in dark rooms, and the ergonomic grip fits various hand sizes comfortably. Families, first-time owners, and security-conscious individuals rely on the Security-9 for its reliability and ease of handling. Compact yet fully functional, it merges safety, practicality, and confidence into a budget-friendly package. In tense moments, the Ruger Security-9 proves itself as a versatile, trustworthy pistol that keeps you ready when it matters most. 7. SCCY CPX-2. A sudden crash in the night shakes the calm, and you need a pistol that's reliable and easy to handle. The SCCY CPX-2, priced around $300, delivers a compact, budget-friendly 9mm option for home defense. With a 10+1 capacity, it provides enough rounds for critical situations despite its smaller size. Its double-action only trigger ensures a consistent pull for every shot, reducing surprises under stress. The lightweight polymer frame makes it manageable for shooters with less hand strength, while integrated safety features prevent accidental discharge without slowing response time. Families, first-time owners, and concealed carriers appreciate the CPX-2 for its simplicity and dependable performance. Its compact size also allows secure storage while remaining quickly accessible. Even at a lower price point, this pistol earns trust through consistent function and practicality. Compact, reliable, and user-friendly, the SCCY CPX-2 balances affordability with essential features, providing confidence when every second counts. 8. Stoeger STR-9. A shadow shifts across the hallway, and your heart races instantly. The Stoeger STR-9, priced around $350, provides reliable performance in tense home defense scenarios. With a 15+1 capacity, it gives enough rounds to respond confidently when seconds count. Its striker-fired design delivers a smooth, consistent trigger, while the ergonomic polymer frame ensures comfort and control for different household members. The integrated accessory rail allows attaching lights or lasers for improved visibility in the dark, and the optics-ready slide makes adding a red dot sight simple for faster target acquisition. Families, first-time owners, and budget-conscious shooters trust the STR-9 for its practical features, dependable function, and balance of affordability with quality. Lightweight yet sturdy, it allows confident handling without sacrificing control or accuracy. Compact enough for maneuvering in tight spaces but full-featured for home defense, the Stoeger STR-9 proves that a budget-friendly 9mm can provide security, confidence, and readiness when every second matters. 9. KelTec P15. A sudden sound in the dark sharpens your focus, and you need a pistol that's ready to act. The KelTec P15, priced around $445, delivers a slim, lightweight 9mm platform without sacrificing capacity or reliability. With a 15+1 capacity, It offers surprising firepower for its compact frame, perfect for tight spaces or quick response situations. Its metal frame option adds durability, while the polymer build keeps weight manageable for steady, controlled shots. Families, first-time owners, and concealed carriers appreciate its simple, dependable design that prioritizes ease of use and consistency. Though smaller than full-size pistols, the P15 provides confidence when seconds matter, allowing decisive action under stress. Its slim profile and ergonomic grip suit multiple users, while the consistent function has earned trust among budget-conscious shooters. Compact yet effective, the KelTec P15 shows that slim doesn't mean weak, offering practical home defense, affordability, and reliability in one easy-to-handle package. 10. IWI Masada Slim. A sudden creak in the hallway makes your pulse spike, and you need a pistol that responds instantly. The IWI Masada Slim, priced around $415, offers a 13+1 capacity in a sleek, compact frame designed for home defense. Its optics-ready slide allows quick attachment of a red dot sight, improving target acquisition in low-light or high-stress situations. The accessory rail supports lights or lasers, helping you identify threats in dark spaces. Ergonomic design ensures comfort and control for multiple household members, making it ideal for first-time owners, families, and experienced carriers alike. Its crisp, consistent trigger and modular fire control system ensures smooth follow-up shots when every second counts. Budget-conscious shooters also appreciate the Masada Slim for combining modern features, reliable performance, and practicality into one easy-to-handle package. Compact, dependable, and thoughtfully designed, the IWI Masada Slim delivers confidence, security, and readiness, proving that home defense doesn't require sacrificing quality or control. That wraps up our guide on best cheap 9mm pistols for home defense in 2025. Combine them with training and secure storage. Like, subscribe, and hit the bell to stay ready and confident.